Welcome to today's episode. For today's episode, we're going to be making a garlic butter steak taco. So I have these corn and wheat tortillas. So I'm going to use this taco. I got garlic butter. And this sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a dash of Worcestershire, and a dash of hot sauce. This makes for a really good sauce. I got the steak strips and caramelized onions from the other day. So let's get started by putting garlic butter on that. Alright YouTube, so we have that garlic butter on there. This pan warmed for a couple minutes. Put that in there, you hear the sizzle, and turn it. Just be careful not to get burnt. Alright YouTube, so you see how that became garlic butter? So that's a garlic butter taco. Now we're gonna warm the steak. Alright, so on medium heat, throw in your steak and caramelized onions. Throw in some all-purpose seasoning and Worcestershire. Pour that in, and we're just going to stir it about. Alright, so since the steak and onions are already cooked, and they're steak strips, it doesn't take long. So turn the burner off, and then we'll go make the taco. Alright YouTube, so take your sauce, put that down there, then use the back of your spoon to spread it. And after that, we'll just top it with some iceberg. Alright YouTube, so you can see that it's on there. I left the ring around there so you can see the color and texture. And now it's time to put the steak on there. Alright YouTube, so there's your steak and caramelized onion, garlic, butter taco. If you want, you could also add salsa or pico. I made this yesterday, and you can find this under my cooking short. I'll add a little bit to that, and then we're done. Alright YouTube, so I put on that pico or salsa, whatever you want to call it. Check out that cooking short. It's how to make salsa in less than 60 seconds. Alright YouTube, so if you like these type of videos, quick recipes you can make in 3 minutes or less, please subscribe, tell your friends and family, and enjoy this garlic butter taco. Peace, love you. Dan Soy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Bye-bye.